Streets turn me to a monster.
It's my mother. You know it's your birthday.
I'ma show you how to turn up on your motherfucking birthday, bitch.
It's going on 8 o'clock right now, and I told you I was gonna get on later. But when I was saying I was gonna do another video, I was trying to think like, what should I do? And I forgot this company sent me this. Is it on? No. I forgot this company sent me this mask. Oh, I was like, why not? Because it's nighttime. But this mask will be in the link down below if y'all want this. Lights up and has a little clip-on thing. You can clip it on your clothes. It might be here in time for Halloween, I don't know. And they come with these light-up gloves. Yeah, it comes with a little strap. This thing for your forehead, because y'all know me. I'm good for running into walls in 100 ounces. The button too to turn this one on. But I'm gonna get on monkey with this and get their reaction. Scratching the hell out of my lip. And everybody been begging for me to get them this for Halloween. Everybody begging for it, and I'm not the type to say no. So everybody gonna be expecting on Halloween. Y'all better flip up a coin. I doubt that they're gonna be scared, but it's like I want to see what they gonna say.
Oh, I agree, 100%. Wait, the gloves lighting up? What the fuck? I've been missing out on. Thinking about somebody chasing you, they got them light up gloves. Do you stop and try to make a conversation with them? Hell no. You keep around the corner. Hell no. Shit, you got me fucked up. Hell no.
Cause I heard him first. I said, hold on.
What is he on there doing?
Nasty bitch.
Fuck you, bitch. Fuck. No, fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you, nigga.
You need some chapstick.
What?
Huh?
Bitch.
What the fuck?
This nigga's in a glow party, like, you just sitting in your room like fucking widow. You got your Halloween costume.
Girl, your ass, yeah. Go put some lotion on.
Dumbass motherfucker.
Oh, Jayla. Oh, shit. She been way goddamn.
Go naughty. Yo, weirdo, he really spends his money on shit like that.
I'll take to put this on. Thank you very much.
Must be ready for Halloween this year. It's hitting, but it's not giving.
Like your dreads?
That's all I gotta say.
Y'all, we want to talk, but they think I'm a nigga.
Yo, what's up? Hey, that's cool as fuck, actually.
Damn. She's crazy. Fuck you.
You gon' sucky my dick.
No.
No, fuck that, dog. So you better from.
Why you got a wet rag on your head with the fan? Your girl don't want to let you turn the air on? I remember them days. Go get eyes back. He reported me. Why are they reporting me?
Oh, man. Why? What the fuck? I'll rob you. Yo, pass that mask and whatever that shit is. A glove. Yo, pass that shit. Yo, take off the mask. Ah, you got it. Shit, my bad. Touch your head a little bit. It look more creepier. Not like that. Like, just straight to the side. No, nigga, what the fuck?
Nasty bitch.
Nasty bitch. You going to hell. Get your nasty ass off here. Ew. Couldn't even see with this mask on.
Yo, I'm fucking too then. The fuck? I'm trying to help your stupid ass. I'm on your ass now with your stupid ass. That mask go hard, but I'm still on your ass. It's over. Fat head ass. Stupid, fucking crunchy head ass. Fuck you think you smooth? Ugly ass dude. Ugly ass dick.
Pause.
Fuck you think you is? Ugly ass dude. Your ass, nigga. It's over with, right? You didn't get that ugly ass finger out the camera. I know you're warm, tired of holding that shit up. But your stupid light up finger ass, glow in the dark finger ass. Ain't just sticking that finger up your ass. Dude, finger ass. Ugly ass dude. Shake back. Ugly ass little dude.
I know he is not from Cali roasting like that.
You look so fly, so cool. Tell me, girl, can I talk to you?
That weak ass song.
Send me this cup in that ranch. I heard them niggas got a deep.
Alright, that little seat though.
You just be typing hella gangster. You an internet shooter.
Yo, breath.
You a damn lie.
Fuck you too, bitch. Dirty ass mask, bitch. That played out ass mask, though. If I can find a new one, bitch. Y'all been using that for like how many years now? Be fucking for real.
Sweat gland disorder.
Looking ass.
Period. Ah, period.
Boy, what the heck? What's the deal, gang? Type shit. You kind of scared me. What you looking at? The ceiling? Don't kill me. I'm sorry. Me? Bro. Goddamn, I can't even speak. You know how to get sturdy? You know how to do the stiff hips? You know how to jersey dance? What the fuck? What that mean? Like, whoa. Hey, yo. Pause. What the? Hey, yo. Pause, bro.
Oh my God! Wow!
Bro, hey, pause, bro. Why are you doing that, bro? Me? Nah, it's my silly. Are you a girl or a boy? Thumbs up for boy, thumbs down for girl. Oh, that's a nigga. You're gay. Do you talk? I'll send you 300 right now if you talk. Whoa, you're...
I was trying so hard not to laugh.
You a girl?
Did he have a good? Alright, y'all, finna get off. I didn't notice that these change when you move your fingers, but I'm gonna turn this off. Whew. If I want a part 2, let me know though, and I'll drop it. But it was really a mix of reactions, but if y'all want part 2, 3, 4, or 5, comment down below, spin on me a heart, share, which remind me of your granny, your uncle, your stepsister, your step uncle. We had a mix of reactions. Some was acting like they was too good, call me weird, or tell me I'm not hard. Like, what are you even talking about? You ain't never been hard a day in your life. How do you think you're hard for my Halloween costume? And if they really knew Jayla, I'd really be bitching niggas up thinking they ain't hard. So by the tone of y'all voices, I know y'all ain't nowhere near hard to be telling somebody else they ain't hard. And I like that, but yeah, it was really a mix of reactions though. Some of them was funny. The second to last dude was really funny. It was just difficult doing this video because they think I'm a boy, but my name says something else. I'm trying to change my name next time. That's what I'm trying to do. But make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, spam me little hearts 10,000 times, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Da-do.
Operator, this is an emergency. Give me the police.